In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and make changes within your Salesforce settings. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to refine your skills, these steps will guide you through the process of customizing your domain settings effectively. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account, and from there, take note of the top right corner of your screen. That's where you're going to see the gear icon, a small but mighty button that houses your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to various settings and customization options that Salesforce offers. Once the drop-down menu has opened, you should see an option that says Open Advanced Setup. Clicking on this option is crucial because it brings you to a more detailed configuration area. Here you can manage different aspects of your Salesforce environment. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup section, it's time to make use of the Quick Find search bar. The Quick Find bar is incredibly helpful for swiftly navigating to specific settings without wading through numerous menus. In the Quick Find bar, type mydomain and hit enter. This will direct you to the My Domain settings page. On the My Domain page, your next task is to click on the Edit button. This button allows you to make changes to your current domain configurations. When you click on Edit, you'll be able to modify the domain name associated with your Salesforce instance. It's a good opportunity to ensure the domain name is aligned with your organizational standards or any changes in branding you might have undergone. After you've edited your domain name, there's an important step that cannot be overlooked: checking for availability. You'll see an option labeled Check Availability. Click this to confirm that the domain name you've chosen is available for use. This is a crucial step because each Salesforce domain must be unique. If your chosen domain name is available, you'll then be prompted to choose a domain suffix. This is a smaller step, but still essential for ensuring your domain is appropriately configured. Once all these changes are in place and you're satisfied with your selections, your final move is to hit the Save button. By saving your changes, you finalize your customizations and ensure that your Salesforce domain is ready to reflect your organization's identity and needs. And there you have it, a streamlined process for editing and managing your Salesforce domain. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with these settings can be invaluable as it allows you to make the most of what Salesforce has to offer. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. Have a great day managing your Salesforce settings more efficiently.